Okay, part 2 of the unboxing of Dead Cells, Cellule Morte. These boxes, they are coded with a letter and a number, so that's easy. But you'll notice that these and these cards, they belong to other packs for which there are no tag boxes. So I first assumed that it would be because of the secret thing, but if you can see here, there are several boxes like High Peak, which are not part of the set that I found on top of the box. The reason is that under the so there's also this deck of secrets, which was a bitch to unwrap, but I'll leave them now inside this deck of secrets. Under this there is more. So you have here Still Village, Forgotten Spilker, High Peak Castle and Clock Tower, as well as a lot of things to unpunch if it ever wants to come out. So actually you're saved, but now you have an empty box. So there's much more to contents than you would think. I suppose that these belong to the different areas, which I'll have to unpunch. Not sure how it is ever going to fit, but there was a video that proved that everything would fit. So no worries. You have more to construct. Okay, bye.